This is a testing code for Ethernet communication using Bluepill and W5500 module. I have set a connection in such a way that Bluepill is connected with Wiznet W5500 module, and using a RJ45 connector and a Ethernet cable, I have connected my whole circuit with my PC. In the code, at first we are setting up a socket. Then we are checking whether the socket is in listen mode or not. If we try to get connected with the socket, then this will be equal to socket established. Upon establishing socket, the MCU will continuously print hello world to PC using this command. Then there is a delay of 100 milliseconds. Then I will compare whether I am receiving anything which is equal to hello. If I receive something, I'll again send to PC that I have received, that is received. Then I'm gonna toggle an LED in the circuit I have made. Then I'm going to see whether there is a connection, physical connection lost with PC and the MCU. That is the with PC and W5500 module. If so, then it will break the whole loop. Then again we will start listening. If we try to close the socket, then this value will be equal to socket closed. Then I'll disconnect the socket and it will be again in listen mode. Okay, first of all, let's see whether our connection is proper or not. So we have a connection established properly with the W5500 module and Bluetooth. So let's connect it. Then I'm receiving hello world in the PC. If I send hello, then I can see a LED is toggling. If I give say hello, I'm getting received printed in the screen, as well as I'm toggling an LED. That means the connection is established and I'm getting the desired output. And if you look into the buffer, you can see that the 5 values are getting hello as HELLO. If you look first, if I try to, so if I disconnect it, it will again go in listen mode. If I again connect it, it will again get connected.